New Orleans homes are known for their character, charm, and architectural diversity. From historic designs to more contemporary layouts, each home has its own personality. When adding or upgrading bay windows, choosing a style that complements your home's architecture is essential. The right bay window doesn't just add light and space, it enhances the overall harmony of your home's design. Understanding how bay windows enhance architecture. Bay windows extend outward from the home, creating depth, dimension, and visual interest. Because they become a focal point on both the interior and exterior, their style should feel intentional and well-matched. In New Orleans homes, where architectural details matter, bay windows should enhance the structure rather than compete with it. Choosing the right bay window style helps preserve architectural integrity while adding modern comfort and functionality. Bay windows for historic and traditional homes. Many New Orleans homes feature traditional architectural elements such as balanced proportions, decorative trim, and classic facades. For these homes, bay windows with clean lines and subtle detailing work best. Styles with evenly spaced panels and modest framing blend seamlessly into traditional exteriors. These designs respect the home's original look while introducing more natural light and usable interior space. Homeowners often prefer bay windows that feel like a natural extension of the original design rather than a modern add-on. Complementing raised and porch-oriented designs. New Orleans homes often incorporate elevated foundations and prominent porches. When selecting bay windows for these designs, scale and placement are important. Bay windows should align with existing architectural features to maintain visual balance. Choosing a bay window style that mirrors the height and rhythm of surrounding windows helps preserve symmetry. This thoughtful alignment ensures the bay window enhances the home's exterior without disrupting its flow. Transitional bay window styles for versatile homes. Some New Orleans homes blend traditional and modern elements, making transitional bay window styles an ideal choice. These designs balance classic proportions with simplified detailing, offering flexibility across different architectural influences. Transitional bay windows often feature clean framing with minimal ornamentation. This approach allows homeowners to modernize their home's appearance while still respecting its original character. Modern bay windows for contemporary homes. For newer or updated New Orleans homes with modern architecture, bay windows can be more streamlined and bold. Larger glass panels and simpler framing emphasize openness and light while maintaining a sleek appearance. Modern bay window styles focus on maximizing views and creating bright interiors. These designs work well with contemporary materials and open floor plans, reinforcing a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. Interior considerations matter too. Choosing the right bay window style isn't just about the exterior. Interior layout and usage also play a role. Bay windows often become focal points inside the home, serving as seating areas, reading nooks, or decorative spaces. In New Orleans homes, homeowners often select bay window styles that support interior comfort and functionality. A well-chosen style enhances how the room is used while maintaining visual balance. Enhancing light without overwhelming the space. Bay windows naturally bring in more light, but the style you choose affects how that light interacts with the room. Thoughtful design ensures the space feels bright and welcoming rather than overwhelming. Selecting the right proportions and panel arrangement helps control light distribution while preserving the room's ambiance. Adding long-term value through smart design. Bay windows that align with a home's architecture tend to age better over time. They feel intentional, well-integrated, and timeless. For New Orleans homeowners, this thoughtful approach adds lasting value and appeal. Even if selling isn't an immediate goal, choosing the right bay window style ensures your home remains visually cohesive and attractive for years to come. A thoughtful choice that makes a difference. Choosing the right bay window style is about more than aesthetics. It's about honoring your home's design while enhancing comfort and livability. When selected carefully, bay windows become a standout feature that feels natural, functional, and beautifully suited to New Orleans home architecture.